Why are they singing? You can force him. I tried climbing him. You tried climbing him. No, why'd you try to slime him, bro? Okay, you my 8-year child. Why did he eat your child? This is good.
Who
Yo,
wouldn't?
Haru, this is out of lore.
My friend thinks you're cute.
Sliding him out. Like, what is this lore, bro? Okay,
No, we gotta get Matt Pat on this.
Why are you following me? Get away from me, bro.
But what is that sound?
Oh yeah.
Yo, I'm low-key trying to
My
leave
friend
my
next to me
friend,
likes
it's not
you.
working.
Your friend what?
So they don't come late for some reason.
This guy likes you.
No, where did you go?
Oh yeah. That's low key fire.